Hey everyone, welcome back to Inside Luxury Campers. Today we're looking at a very unusual Chinese pickup-based RV, the Sahar Poer Slide Out, a rugged 4x4 camper built on the Great Wall platform. At first glance, it looks like a tough off-road pickup camper, but then you notice the big slide-out section that completely changes the interior space. It has a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine, a 9-speed automatic transmission, up to 200 liters of fresh water, and a 48-volt electrical system designed for serious off-grid travel. But the biggest question is this: can a pickup RV really offer the comfort of a much larger motorhome without becoming too heavy and impractical? Let's take a closer look and see what this machine is really capable of. Alright, let's kick things off right here in the compact wet bath. You've got a clean white toilet paired with a sink featuring a chrome faucet, and that lit mirror cabinet really helps open up the space visually. Up above, a ventilation fan with integrated LEDs keeps everything fresh and bright while you shower. I love how the gray and white checkered curtain hangs from a curved rod, giving you maximum elbow room when bathing. Storage is handled smartly too, with open cabinetry over the sink for your daily essentials. A real standout is the built-in heated towel rack beside the window, which is perfect for warming towels after camping in cooler weather off-grid. Its recessed design tucks the plumbing away neatly while adding genuine luxury to this small footprint. The handheld shower head gives you flexibility whether you're rinsing off or cleaning the basin itself. Every detail feels intentional, from the pop-up drain to those metallic supply lines tucked out of sight. Despite its size, thoughtful layout choices and quality fixtures mean it never feels cramped, balancing function and comfort for extended trips without stealing valuable living space elsewhere. Stepping out into the main living zone, what really catches your eye on the ceiling is this JMOO projector, mounted on a sleek black base. It's surrounded by metallic paneling and ambient LED lighting that sets a fantastic mood for evening entertainment. A retractable screen drops down centrally, transforming this area into a proper cinema without sacrificing headroom when stowed away. Surrounding cabinetry offers substantial storage with dark finishes and square handles, keeping gear organized while maintaining that premium aesthetic. Overhead units feature sliding doors with integrated lighting above the window, maximizing vertical space without feeling bulky. Instead of a traditional fabric speaker compartment, there's a dedicated soundbar mounted cleanly beneath the upper cabinets, delivering crisp audio that pairs perfectly with the projector. Natural light floods in through a large hinged window with a roller shade, framed by light trim that brightens the entire space. Below, a textured wall panel houses convenient electrical outlets right where you need them for charging devices. The foldable dining table includes integrated cup holders on a sturdy black pedestal, flanked by upholstered seats with distinctive yellow stitching for a sporty accent. Light wood laminate flooring ties everything together visually, while being easy to clean after outdoor adventures. Additional overhead storage with metallic handles ensures ample room for essentials without cluttering surfaces, while underseat drawers provide hidden spots for bulkier items. You'll find these drawers slide out smoothly on heavy-duty rails, giving you full access to stowaway camping chairs or recovery gear without having to dig through the main living area. Finally, the alcove bedroom positioned directly above the cab features a curved headboard and horizontal window, creating a cozy private sleeping nook separate from the main activity below. Climbing into the overhead bunk, sleeping above the cab feels surprisingly open thanks to that curved headboard and long horizontal window. You get plenty of natural light plus a porthole side window with privacy shade for proper ventilation. Managing your stay is effortless with a wall-mounted touchscreen right beside the bed displaying battery voltage, water tank levels, and lighting controls at a glance while you relax in this cozy spot. That glowing touchscreen command center puts critical info right at your fingertips. Beside it, sleek stainless steel cabinets frame a built-in display panel with USB connectivity. Overhead, the Truma Aventa air conditioner ensures climate comfort throughout this premium living space for you. You rarely expect a robust Truma Aventa system in a pickup-based rig, yet here it sits centrally flanked by speakers and recessed LEDs for serious four-season comfort. Below, the living zone feels surprisingly residential with upholstered seating featuring yellow stitching and large windows flooding the space with light. Metallic trim continues this premium vibe into the bedroom, where clever underbed storage accessed via hinge doors makes organization easy. Those wooden slatted compartments aren't just decorative but functional airflow channels keeping things fresh. Nearby, the utility zone houses essential controls alongside a genuine front-loading washing machine, an absolute game changer for extended off-grid trips without laundromats. Across from that, the dinette offers two comfortable seats with yellow accents and a foldable table on a sturdy pedestal, perfect for meals or workspace. Overhead cabinets with metallic finishes and ambient LED lighting tie everything together beautifully, while a ceiling-mounted IMOU security camera provides peace of mind when you're away. Even the cab integrates seamlessly into this open-plan layout with its modern touchscreen, proving this expandable module truly maximizes every inch of the chassis for luxury living. Driving feels intuitive with steering wheel controls and a central touchscreen keeping vital info accessible. Overhead storage with a sliding cover keeps essentials handy without cluttering the dash. Behind the seats, you'll find a utility zone featuring a front-loading washing machine beside dark cabinetry on durable light wood laminate flooring. Dedicated laundry space makes your off-grid adventures significantly more comfortable and self-sufficient. Out back, you'll see this elevated living module on the Great Wall Shanghai Poer chassis uses a large overhang maximizing interior volume. Metallic paneling with horizontal vent slats ensures airflow while looking premium, and that solid cab door reflects robust construction quality throughout this exterior area. Settling into the driver's seat, you'll love the premium ergonomics with leather-wrapped steering controls and a digital display keeping vital info close. That center console rotary mode dial lets you adapt the chassis for varying road conditions without distraction. Overhead storage features a sliding cover and integrated lighting, maximizing utility here. Metallic switches on the door panels make window and mirror adjustments effortless while seated. Secure rear passenger entry perfectly complements this cab's rugged yet refined functionality for daily driving. Walking around to the rear exterior, you'll immediately notice how this raised black storage compartment and partially extended roof structure maximize utility without sacrificing that sleek pickup bed profile. Up front, bold grille styling and integrated LED daytime running lights command attention, while the elevated overcab module adds crucial sleeping space without making the rig feel top-heavy. That horizontal window and lighting strip on the living module bring natural light into the cab-over area and provide essential visibility when parked at night. Along the side, the entry door opens to reveal a sturdy step and clean threshold, making access easy even after a long day off-road. Just beside it, a metallic panel houses ventilation and controls, keeping critical systems accessible yet protected. Further back, another flush-mounted storage compartment offers secure gear stowage, with informational decals placed thoughtfully so they don't clutter the clean lines. Inside, the specification placard confirms this is the Shanghai Poer Expandable Edition, validating the premium build quality. Outside again, the pull-out outdoor kitchen stands out for anyone who loves cooking al fresco, sliding out smoothly to reveal dedicated appliances that keep messes outside. Alloy wheels and recessed fender flares speak to serious off-road capability, ensuring you can reach remote campsites confidently. A quick glimpse inside shows the dining area's foldable table and yellow-stitched seating, hinting at the comfortable residential feel waiting within. Back outside, this specific exterior compartment houses washing machine access, an incredibly rare luxury in a pickup RV that makes extended living practical. Adjacent storage holds a folding table, adding versatility for outdoor meals. Nearby, utility access points and control knobs are neatly organized, reflecting thoughtful engineering rather than haphazard placement. Specification posters above the gray utility compartment reinforce the attention to detail, while smaller access panels below provide easy maintenance points. Multiple storage compartments near the wheel well offer flexible organization for tools, all featuring durable latches built for rough terrain. Close-up views of the multi-spoke alloy wheels confirm robust construction ready for varied landscapes. Underneath, hydraulic leveling jacks with protective covers ensure stability on uneven ground, complemented by stabilizer bars that minimize sway during setup. This combination of rugged chassis engineering and refined amenities truly defines what makes this Livezone RV special for serious adventurers exploring the exterior. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please leave a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe to Inside Luxury Campers for more tours just like this one.